Hare Krishna, hi dear friends, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video, I'm going to tell you how I made this beautiful turban for Golden Forest outfit. I took this turquoise silk fabric, this satin floral fabric, neon pink decorative lace, peacock feather, magenta fan folding trinket, Zardozi paisley facing opposite sides, wooden parrot, and of course fabric glue. So now I'm applying fabric glue at the back of this floral fabric and spreading it nicely. Now fold it into half and let it dry. And we will make a trinket out of it once it dries completely. After this, I'm going to join this turban fabric as well. The length of the fabric you can take according to the round head of the deity. Now this fabric is nice and dry. So we are going to fold it as we do fan folding and secure it at the one end. So our this turban trinket is ready. Similarly, I made this magenta one too. Now I'm going to fold and gather this fabric to give it a turban shape. I want you to watch it nicely as it is hard to explain how I did it. Now the basic shape of our turban is ready. I'm just stitching it here and there so that it gets secured. Now I'm going to place this neon pink lace at the top like so. Now I'm going to attach this wooden parrot at the top, and I'm going to sew it in this way so that it moves easily and looks like a real one. Now I'm going to put these decoration here one by one, and as you can see I'm putting this paisley here, and these paisleys are in opposite directions too. Now I'm placing all the trinkets one by one and securing it with fabric glue or stitches. So now our beautiful turbans are almost ready. I'm just putting some velcro at the back so that we can adjust the size. Dear friends, if you like this video, so don't forget to hit like button below and do share this video with your family and friends. And with this turban tutorial, we are done with complete golden forest outfit tutorials. If in case you missed any outfit tutorial, you can go and watch my previous videos. Soon I'll come up with new outfit tutorials. Till then, I'm signing off here. You stay blessed and keep on crafting. HARIBOL.